Hello friends! Today we'll open the HP OmniBook Ultra Flip 14. As always, you'll find everything about the laptop in our detailed text review on laptopmedia.com. The link is below the video. Let's go! We'll remove the 4 screws that secure the bottom panel. A Torx T5 driver is all you need here. These 2 longer screws sit next to the display hinges. You can see how much shorter the rest of them are. With a thin plastic pry tool, we start popping the retaining clips. This corner gives the easiest entry point. Don't push the pick in too far. Adding a second pick keeps the gap open without harming the internals. Keep working your way along the edge. Rotate the laptop and continue until the cover is completely free. Done. Now let's disconnect the battery cable using a non-metal spudger. 64 watt-hour battery unit in a 14-inch chassis sounds great. But is the battery life great enough to be in our top 100 laptops with the best battery life ranking page? Check the link below the video and see for yourself. The battery is held by 5 Phillips screws. Here goes the first one. And now the rest. Tweezers work better here. The strong side magnets grab the tiny screws as soon as they clear the threads, which is fun on the way out, but tricky on the way back in. Speaker wires are taped to the battery. If you're only swapping the cell, unclip them and stick them back. In this teardown, we're lifting the pack together with the 2 side-firing speakers. Let's remove the first speaker. Let's fully detach the connector as well. This is the second side-firing speaker. And its connector. You can find a sound analysis of the speaker's quality in our detailed review on laptopmedia.com. The battery is free. Lift it gently so you don't tear any cable. Next, the SSD heat shield comes off. HP offers the OmniBook Ultra Flip with up to 32 GB of LPDDR5X RAM. No slots are available, so what you order is what you keep. A thermal pad is sandwiched between the SK Hynix drive and the cover. We'll peel it away to reveal the storage. You'll find information about the storage speeds and SSD reliability in the full review on laptopmedia.com. Always pry where there are no tiny SMD parts in harm's way. The laptop gives you a single M2 2280 PCI Express 4 slot, so plan capacity upgrades accordingly. That little 8-pin XMC serial flash stores the BIOS firmware that kicks everything into action. The Intel BE201 Wi-Fi 7 card promises blistering wireless, up to 46 gigabits per second in theory, with multi-link for smoother 8K streaming and VR. A generous vapor chamber and twin fans handle the heat from Intel's latest Core Ultra chips. How effective is that thermal system? What about the display, performance results, and build quality? You'll find the answers to these questions and much more in our detailed review on laptopmedia.com. The link is below the video. Thanks for being with us today. If you want us to open more machines, subscribe to our channel.